come now what for you? I said maybe for Burikore by 10 o'clock. No, not 10 o'clock.
Okay, is that how you shot for your client?
Okay, if they find house, they keep to time. They keep to time.
Do you know who I am? Where the house?
If the person they find one room, no, I will change my mind though.
One room with parking space and a little breeze. Hello?
Come on there.
Where's the house?
See the house. See the house there. See that yellow roof?
Uh,
Now there would they go. Now just now 10 seconds trekking.
Shabi, you said the house stay for front. Well, okay, this is Emoha now. We don't reach Emoha.
What's in there? Emma one Choba and her cousin. See Choba, see Emma, but they're very close now. What's in there?
So where the house?
Oga see house there. See am. If that tree feel your shift, you go see am. Stone throw. More they go, they complain. Oga with the fine house, they very patient too. Not the hurry agent.
Oga Sabinus. Oga Sabinus. Itu Sabio. Oga Sabinus. Oga Sabinus. Oga Sabinus. Itu Sabio.
Where are they now? Where are they? Are they the junction here? Are they the junction? Hurry up.
Okay, Nelele be this now. Listen, Nelele now. How tell it Nelele?
Come, Oga. I don't like the way they hurry me. Oh. They need a rush agent. If they find better house, you need to get patience. Oh. Oga, you see these two men work, they don't take for agent work. Okay. 7 years experience. Now they get for this work. Bam. If our three gather find house for you, you go live there with peace and harmony. What didn't they find? Now one room, 4 parking space, bus quarter and plenty breeze.
There 4 parking space.
Yes.
The house there. Where the house there now? Can we go?
Now where you there now? We there Ahoda Johnson.
How would they reach Ahoda now? Which kind of be this?
For the
Okay, now your lack of patience they make me the best for you. If they find better house, they patient.
don't come.
You see this guy, you don't get any type of house where the guy no fit find give you. This guy sabi all the buildings for this Port Harcourt die.
Okay, what I need, one room with parking space, where it contain 4 cars, and a unit where I feel they get breeze.
Oga, cool down. This boy where you see here, he dey here, but he know they talk. What? Person where go talk for and they come. Where you there now? See am.
Which kind of be this?
What do we want? Now one room, 4 parking space, 1 BQ and plenty breeze. Okay, they for front.
Now so you talk for front, we reach Ahoda. Okay, I don't like this kind of thing now.
Sana, more they go. More they go.
Oga Sabinus. Oga Sabinus. Itu Sabio. Oga Sabinus. Oga Sabinus. Oga Sabinus. Itu Sabio. Oga Sabinus. Oga Sabinus. Oga Sabinus. Oga Sabinus. Oga Sabinus. Oga Sabinus.
Agent Ono, no baby. I beg, and my client with this. You see this agent there? You don't get any house waiting for east, south, west, and north in Sabio. Enhance strong for this work. In they find one room, we get 4 parking space, bus quarter, and plenty breeze.
Portable one room.
Hi! Oh, Undo. The remaining house wait there for Bayasana. They just carry and they go back Port Harcourt. No, no, come quick now.
You see why they tell you waka fast, waka fast, waka fast?
And I no pass any trailer away carry house, they go for road.
Hey, you know one?
Yes.
Hey!
Okay, no wahala. I know where they carry the house drop for Port Harcourt. Who they go?
Okay.
You say what? What did he just say?
Port Harcourt now.
Port Harcourt, why I just trek from the come. When this boy tell me say the house there for front. See me, I don't reach Bayasa. He say make I from Bayasa, they trek, they go back Port Harcourt. What is wrong with you?
No. Going back no far.
Port Harcourt not be here.
No. We don't reach.
Come on, man, you go reach there.
Oga Sabinus.
Sell am.
Hello, Papa.
You want assist now, eh? My brother.
You see, this is my client. Now, house will go find for Bayasa. As to the rich Bayasa, now agent only tell us, never they got the house from Bayasa, they come Port Harcourt. Now, make a been call, you may help us secure them.
On a waste time now.
What?
That has been there 5 minutes ago. Now they don't move and they go Delta State. So move they go Delta State now before they will move the house go Lagos. From Lagos that has been enter Ghana now.
Waiting be time now.
My brother, forget time. Move they go.
Organa to enter data.
But are you okay? Do you have human sympathy? How dare you? At my age, my reputation, I trekked from here to Bayelsa, trekked from Bayelsa to Port Harcourt. He said I should trek to Delta State because of one room. What's the meaning of this?
Now this man won't take the house.
Nah, him.
Okay, person the best like you don't fit take that kind of house.
You can imagine this young man. I'll wipe this guy.
Data is just a stone throw. They go here. Like where data ever?
And Nadia be Delta State. That place where the stone land.
Delta and Bayelsa, which one far pass? Delta, Asaba, Abakaleke. Never Delta, you go first reach. Delta for here, see Delta.
Hey, first news, go.
Hey, Jess, what are they do here?
Papa. Hey, see this my fellow agents. We define house, one room, we get space for 4 cars to park, and 2 swimming pool, and with enough breeze.
I get one. Don't want get there for Jigawa. And for not, he may not like it. I been go check him.
Okay, go there.
Hey! You skip my mind. House day. That house I've been tell you.
Oh! That's where for front.
This house now PPI. Pay and parking.
If I talk now,
We
never go by answer.
Okay, so you don't need to carry anything. No. As you do like this now, once you pay, you are living there. You see house here now. Okay? You see this tank waiting for front, eh?
Yes.
The house at the back, just by the side. This one.
What are we waiting for? Let's go.
Okay, the PPI, you pay and parking.
Oga Sabinus, Oga Sabinus.
Okay, people they stay here now. What's the meaning of this now? The place is occupied already. People are staying right inside that place. I went inside, see children sleeping, properties, everything. Okay, what kind of thing is this one now?
Okay, now my house be this. And those children are my children. We don't find house tire. Go by Asa. We almost go Delta State. Just follow me, they stay. 2 months from now, my rent go expire. Then you pay parking. Nothing there, Abby.
Can you imagine this boy?
Stop now, Junior.
This boy just bites me now. What's the meaning of that?
Okay, now my pikin be that though. Anytime when see who in love, now teaching the use express now. That bite now, sign of welcoming.
Okay, I beg, open your Wait. Who lock here?
Okay, go stay, Abby, no go stay.
I'm not staying now. I want to go. Is it my force to stay here?
You no go stay, Abby. How much be your money?
15,000.
How much be your money?
7.5.
How much be your money?
I'll manage 10,000.
How much be your money?
Then just bring 12,000 now.
Okay, for agent inspection, excursion, movement, health fair, and maintenance, everything come at 70,000.
That's what they do.
So either you pay or you stay.
No wonder when I get the mind, the spirit and body and soul to follow me trek go by us and trek come back. Still they encourage me to go Delta State. So this is the money I go pay. This thing what I do, I know they like Amo. I know they like this thing at all what I do.
Sorry, God, no,